Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2025 limited edition Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop to share with all of you. Before I get started, I just want to remind everybody that I am a long arm quilter and we are currently accepting quilts for the Christmas season. November 15th is our current deadline, but go ahead and check out our Coffee Cake Quilt Company Facebook page for updates to our quilting deadlines. This is a limited edition box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out once a year around Christmas time. It did retail for $54.99 this year, and it is currently sold out, so I'm so sorry if you did not get this box. However, there is a Facebook group called Sew Sampler Swap, and sometimes people don't like the box contents and will end up selling their box on the website, so I'll go ahead and put that down below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive into this and see what we got. First up, we have our little insert. It says 2025 a Jolly Box Fat Quarter Shop limited edition. And on the back, we do have a 15% off of holiday Christmas items and home decor. We have our foldable insert here that tells us the contents of the box as well as the cost of each item. At the very end, I will go ahead and total up to see what we saved. All right, first up here we have the Mistletoe Moments Enamel Christmas Ornament by Beverly McCullough for Fat Quarter Shop. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive and it retails for $14.48. It says, add a touch of cozy holiday cheer to your tree with the Mistletoe Moments ornament featuring a snowy red cottage framed with festive greenery. This exclusive treasure feels like winter wonderland. You can hang right on your tree. Its classic colors make it a timeless addition to your decor, while its whimsical design brings a dash of Storybook magic to the season. A charming keepsake to enjoy year after year. This is extremely exciting, and I know you can't see, but well, maybe you can. I do have my tree right here, so I will definitely go ahead and be putting this on my tree. Next up here, we have 50 weight aluminum 100% cotton Mako thread. This is number 2615, and it retails for $16.48. It says tie all your holiday projects together with the 50 weight aluminum 100% cotton Mako thread by Aurifil. This soft silvery gray is the perfect neutral for your holiday projects, blending beautifully with festive fabrics while letting your designs take the spotlight. Strong, smooth, and reliable as the Aurifil name, this thread will keep your crafts merry all season long. All right, next up we have the Mistletoe Moments Mistletoe and Holly Fat Quarter Bundle by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs, retailing for $36.98. It says, bring the magic of the holidays with the Mistletoe and Holly Fat Quarter Bundle by Beverly McCullough. This festive collection is packed with classic plaids, delicate florals, and frosty snowflakes across hues of rosy reds, forest greens, and frosty grays. This curated 12-piece Fat Quarter Bundle is perfect for holiday quilts, stockings, and any other handmade gifts for your loved ones. All right, let me go ahead and take you through this fabric bundle here. I'll also go ahead and put the fabric card up here for those of you who don't want to see the fabric or see me go through the fabric. These are cute little candy canes. All right, here's the full bundle. So pretty. Next up, we have the Mistletoe Moments Quilt Pattern by Beverly McCullough for Fat Quarter Shop. This is a Jolly Box exclusive and it retails for $9.98. Limited finishing kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and it says celebrate the season with the exclusive Mistletoe Moments Quilt Pattern by Beverly McCullough, found only in this Jolly Box. This pattern features cheery houses, bright stars, festive trees, and an abundance of wrapped gifts, adding holiday cheer to every corner of your home. Whether displayed on a wall, draped over the couch, or gifted to someone special, it's a merry make you'll treasure always. And I did see that the finishing kits are still available on Fat Quarter Shop. I'll go ahead and link that below. And then here are the fabric requirements here for this. This is a 52-inch by 56.5-inch little quilt here. Of course, you can always add a second border, okay, or duplicate blocks, something like that to make it larger. Add stars. All right, so our next item is actually a mistletoe and holly tree skirt and mini stockings panel by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs. It is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, so you can only get it on the Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $23.98, and it says, wrap your holidays in charm with this exclusive mistletoe and holly tree skirt and mini stockings panel. This tree skirt is a merry way to frame your Christmas tree and make it shine even brighter. Pair it with the adorable matching mini stockings that are also included. With instructions right on the panel, these easy projects are ready to be stitched up and hung with care for an extra dose of holiday magic. Okay, let me show you what this looks like. It's really pretty. All right, we have stocking number 1, stocking number 2, stocking number 3, and stocking number 4. All right, and then here's the tree skirt. I will try to get a better picture of this for all of you. Okay, has a beautiful Dresden design in the middle. And tree, house, stars at the very bottom. All right, like I said, I will try to get better video of this because I feel like it's just so massive. That is it for the box. Let me go ahead and add up the total and see what we saved. All right, so our total box contents were $101.90. Let's go ahead and subtract what we paid for this box. All right, so I subtracted the $54.99 that we paid, so we ended up with $46.91 in savings. Let me know what you guys thought about this box. I actually love everything, so I'm not even gonna pick a favorite item, and I really love that ornament actually as well. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.